Stop by and take a look at the 2013 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, stability control, daytime running lights, front license plate bracket, remote power door locks, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.